Open the IMSV file with InstaStudio. Trim your selection and export as it is. Open Premiere and import your footage. First you have to create an empty space frame segment. Duplicate the clip, go at a point in the beginning of the clip and insert a frame hold segment. Delete whatever remains and keep the segment. Now repeat the process but go at a point that you are in a different place from the first one. Place one clip over the other. Mask yourself on the upper layer and click Inverted. Extend the segment to fit your main clip and select Nest. Place this sequence under the main clip. Go to the Effects panel and add Ultra Key on the upper layer. Click the tool and pick the green color of the suit. Adjust Ultra Key settings to optimize the transparency. When you are satisfied, start masking. You don't have to be detailed, a rough masking would be fine. After you've finished masking, check the result. Now you can add some green screen footage of bubbles and fishes. For the bubbles, import the footage and place it above all clips. Scale it to fill the screen. Use Ultra Key to remove the green color. Repeat the process with the fish's footage. You can adjust the scale or the position if you wish. Now nest all clips together. On the Effects panel, choose GoPro VR Reframe and add it to the nested sequence. Reframe as you like. As a final touch, you can adjust the colors or add the SL Blue Intense filter.